we can start on this. An interesting question to start with. The question is, should I accept the offer? I ordered a 12-inch pizza. After a while, the waiter bought 3 5-inch pizzas and said 12 pizza was not available. Okay, please take these. What should I do? This is the question. So I received a lot of responses. Almost all the responses told me that you should accept the offer. Yeah, let's try to understand the offer now. So here is the offer. Offer says that you have a 12-inch pizza and you have 3 5-inch pizza. Suppose as a layman, I'm a person who would just like to figure out, here your dia is 12 inches and here if you check the dia, 5, 5, 5 and it makes you 3 times 5 and that makes you 15 inches. So, when you see like this, you say that you should accept the offer. But the question is, should we accept the offer? We should not accept the offer. To do this, we'll have to do little mathematical analysis. So what kind of mathematical analysis we are required to do? Let's try to understand what are the things which you can have in your pizza. So basically, the compare will not be on the dia because you have 3 different pizza and 1 big pizza. The comparison will be based on the area. All right. If you compare by dia, we may not be able to reach to the correct point. So the comparison will be on the area. So what happens if we try to find out the area? The height of the topping is the same, then area will do the work. Otherwise, we'll have to find out the volume. But we will work with the area because in 11 plus examination, we have to find out this area of a pizza, area of a circle. So how do we find out area of a circle? Area of a circle is given by pi times r square if we find the radius. So we have got another dimension here, that is radius. So this 12 is not radius. This 12 inch is basically diameter. So what is the radius? In this case, if we have to find out the radius, so my radius will be 12 over 2 divided by 2. So this becomes 6 inches. So radius is from here to here. So this is our radius. So my radius for this big pizza is 6 inches. For this small pizzas, if we find out the radius, so this becomes 2.5 inch. This is also 2.5 inches. And this is also 2.5 inches. So this is the radius. So how do we find out the area of a pizza which has been delivered to us? Pi times r square. What is the value of pi? Pi is given by 22 over 7 or it can be given by 3.14. If you divide 22 by 7, you will get this value. So this is how you will find out the area of a pizza. So let's try and find out area of the big pizza. Let's try and find out area of these 3 small pizza. From that, we'll be able to understand what should we do. So let me take you to area of the pizza, big pizza, small pizza, and all those things, and see that what happens. So from this, what we know is r is 6 inch, and for this, the value of r is 2.5 inch. Area of this is pi r square. So the value of r is 6 inches. So pi times 6 square. So that gives me 36 pi. And if I find out the area of this, so pi times r square. So 2.5 is the square of 2.5 is 6.25. So pi times 6.25. So we can take 6.25 pi. There is no problem in that. So now you have 3 of this size. So my thing will be pi times 6.25 times 3. And if I am writing it in terms of pi only, so it will become 18.75 pi. I have not multiplied it by pi. Multiply it by pi, so multiply by 3.14. So on this side, you have 36 pi, and on this side, you have 18.75 pi. So what should we do? Should I accept the offer or should I reject the offer?
I think reject the offer.
You're correct. The offer should be rejected because he is offering me a little over half. On this side, we have 36 pi as the area, and on this side, 3 pizzas making 18.75 pi. So little over half. So by seeing this, you will simply say that the offer should be rejected. So what is the comparison? Most of the time, pizza is something a lot of us order. Every day, a lot of us order. And if sometimes you see that there is something is on offer and you change your mind from bigger pizza to smaller pizza. See, this is how it is happening. I have taken example of pizza because, every day kids eat pizza, we eat pizza, everybody is eating pizza today. All right. And something changes from something to something. 12 inches to 10 inches. You see how the things are changing. 12 inches to 7 inches, 8 inches. Again, you will find there is a lot of change. So the comparison should be based on area of it. A lot of kids, they understand how to do this. But, when we grow up, normally we compare with the inches. 12 inches, 5 inches, 5 inches. This can be worked out, but no, it cannot be worked out. You should compare with the area. That's why you have to be wise. This is the application of mathematics in our day-to-day work. Okay, any questions? So what will be the wise answer? Let me take you to the wise answer. Regular answer, yes, I got a lot of answers and they all said, yes, you should accept the offer because you are getting more. Okay, I have shown you the mathematical angle. 12-inch pizza, the area is 113.097 square inch, and 3-5 inches pizza, the area is 58.9 square inch. A wise answer is no. You should reject the offer because you are getting almost half of what you have ordered. All right. This was very interesting case. So that's why, I took it up and I said, okay, let me discuss this with the group.